With the SmartHub mobile app, you can receive notifications from your SmartHub provider, pay your bills, report problems with your service, and contact your provider, all from your Android device. Here's how. Open Google Play by tapping its icon on your device. Search for SmartHub. The same app works for your Android phone or tablet, and best of all, it's free. Type in SmartHub as one word. Tap the SmartHub app from NISC. Tap the Install button. SmartHub will need to access a few items to work properly. Tap the Accept button to continue. Open the app. Find your service provider by name or location when GPS enabled. I'll search by name using SmartHub as an example, but you'll need to enter your provider's name here. When you've found your provider, tap the Confirm button. If you have already registered for online access to your account through your provider or are using SmartHub Web, enter your login information here to access your account. If you need to register for online and mobile access, tap the Create an Account button here. Input the necessary identifying information for your account, enter a valid email address, and then tap the Continue button. Now, to further verify your identity, you need to input security information. This varies depending on your provider. You may be asked for your last bill amount, a portion of your Social Security number, or your birthday. In this case, you'll need to enter your billing zip code and select a security question and answer. Tap Continue. An email is sent to the email address you've provided with a temporary password. Tap OK. When you receive the email, you can return to the login screen and log into your account. The email address you provided is your new username. Then you'll be able to set up payment methods to quickly pay your bill, receive notifications from your SmartHub provider, and even report service issues. Here's a recap. First, go to Google Play on your Android phone or tablet and download the app. Second, choose your provider and sign into your SmartHub account. And third, enjoy account management at your fingertips. Thanks for inquiring about the SmartHub mobile app. For more information on how to take advantage of SmartHub's many capabilities, contact your SmartHub provider.